Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve pass the pillow. In the problem statement, there are n people standing in a line labeled from 1 to n. The first person in line is holding the pillow initially. Every second, the person holding the pillow passes to the next person standing in the line. Once the pillow reaches the end of the line, the direction changes. People continue passing the pillow in the opposite direction. For example, once the pillow reaches the end of people or person, they pass it to the n minus 1. So it starts going backward. And the nf minus 1 passes to ns minus 2, and so on. So given two positive integers, n and time, return the index of the person holding the pillow after time seconds. So in this example, we have n equal to 4, so 4 people, and the time is 5 seconds. So the output is 2. Why is it 2? Because the first person passed to the second passed to the third, and the third passes to the fourth. Then fourth, since n is 4, the fourth will pass it to n minus 1, third, and second. Then the time runs out, and then we return that value, the index of the person holding the pillow at last. So to solve this problem, we need two variables, one to keep track of the direction, another one to keep track of the index of the person holding the pillow. Okay, let's dive into the coding. So we have the current, we have the direction, which is 1. Then we have the current time, which is, let's say, 1. We have the current pillow position, which is also 1. So while current time is less than or equal to time, so then we'll add them. We'll check if 0 is less than current time plus direction. So since direction is 1, which is less than or equal to n. So if this condition holds, current will have current, it has to be current position, it has to be current pillow position. So then we have current pillow position b plus 1, current time will be also plus 1, else we change the direction, so direction will become minus 1. So times minus 1 will become, this will change the direction. So at the end, return current pillow position. So basically here we have the direction, which is from left to right it will be 1, from right to left it will be minus 1, because I'm multiplying right minus 1. So each time you're adding, or it should be not, it should be plus direction, because not plus 1, plus direction. So if you are going from left to right, we'll add plus 1, meaning direction is 1, or if it's the opposite side, from or right to left, we'll add minus 1. So that's why you're having plus direction. So let's try. Yeah, so it passes. You run it, it passes. So let's submit. So the time complexity is O of n. Thank you. Consistency is the key. Please subscribe, share, and like.